Alright, check this out. It's a 2007 Silverado 1500. The passenger window just stopped, and it worked before, and I could hear the switch clicking. So I dug into it and found that on the back of the switchboard, you see the little open hole that's supposed to be connected, and it's not. And when you take your cover off, you can see a little bit of the solder that came out of the switch. So when I reconnected that with a little piece of metal, the window started to work. So, not sure why I did that, but I figure that's an easy fix. Let everybody know what's going on. Thanks.